Hi guys, this video is all about how do I place a battery in BOYA M1. So let's open it. Yeah, and look at this battery. This battery is a LR44 and it is in plus sign at back side. So look at it guys, this is at plus sign, so you're gonna place here itself. And that's it, and close it guys. And if you are using with camera, just go with camera, okay, in green. Okay, if you are going with smartphone, go with this, and if you want to go with laptop and other computers, just go with off and smartphone guys. And that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoy this video, and bye bye.